Well, I think I did it. I really think I did it. I found a perfect way to make a deer hamburger. Okay? Check this out. So what I did, look at those bad boys. So what I did is I took my ground deer, right? I had 2 pounds of ground deer, right? And then I took about a third of a pound. It was a third of a pound of ground pork. Put it in with the deer, right? Put my seasoning in, which I use some dry rub that I use. And you can do whatever you want with that. And then you take butter, grated butter, and put it in there. Smoked them. Okay? These aren't smoked yet. Smoked them. Got it up to 170, 180, right? Hit it. I actually hit it really hard at the beginning. I had the smoker at 300. Got it all warmed up at 300. Sorry, it's early in the morning. Got it warmed up at 300. Put it in there, and deer falls apart, right? So the binder is the pork and the butter, and it works. But then I put it in there on the smoker, and I put it in, those pizza grates you got with little holes in it, so you can set it in on that. And of course it was had a drip pan underneath, and let it go for, oh my gosh, 40 minutes, right, at high temp. And then after that I smoked it, but it made sure the internal temperature was at 170. I even went a little higher. Man, did they come out nice. They came out really good. So if you get a chance, your deer, you want to do it. Deer, this works for deer. I wouldn't ruin elk with it. Elk burgers are great, and moose and like that. But the deer, this is white-tailed deer. And give it a try. All right, guys. Cheers, Mountain Man out. We'll see you. This is my recipe for the day. It's a crazy day. All right, guys. Cheers, Mountain Man out.